Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Alright, so in this video today, this is part of a collaboration called the Foodie Grocery Haul, and this is being hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Jean Home Decor and More, Debbie Bubbles, and my Mountain Home and Kitchen. So, and also, I'm sorry, we do have more. Decorating with Jazzy Green, and I'm not really sure if I forgot anybody else. If I did, I'm gonna go ahead and link that below. So, let's start over here. Like I said, it wasn't a very big haul, but I just want to show you what I got. So I switched over to the Great Value Classic Roast Decaf Coffee. And believe it or not, this tastes pretty good. And I don't miss the caffeine. So that's always a good thing. I grabbed one of this angel hair coleslaw. Okay, because I just like the regular coleslaw. And so I managed to get one of those. Those are usually, they're out of them so quickly. And this is the deluxe sliced cheese, American cheese that I get for sandwiches and stuff like that. I could get them at the deli, guys, but we use so much cheese in this house, it's just easier to get that cheese that way. Now I did grab a small package of this ground beef chuck. Okay, I'm gonna be making something this week. I need that. And I absolutely positively love, me and my son like the macaroni salad Amish style. This is delicious, guys. It is a little bit on the sweet side. I love it. Now, at Walmart, they do sell Panera items. So I grabbed this autumn squash soup, okay? And like I said, this, I don't know, it's probably over $5. I think it's totally worth it. I gotta make my own soup, guys. But I don't normally have the squash, and Matthew doesn't have it either, and that's why I decided to grab the Panera. Now, I grabbed 2 of the eggplants, because I'm gonna make an eggplant lasagna, so you gotta go over to Quick and Easy Meals to see how I do that one. I did a little tiny one in a previous video, but I think I'm gonna do a full pan of that one. Then I just decided to go ahead and get 1 sweet potato. Matthew doesn't eat sweet potatoes, just me, so I just grabbed 1. Then I just grabbed the Great Value hamburger buns. All right, and the sliced sandwich white bread, Great Value. And I usually get it, guys, only because it's not cut very thick, and so it's not that many carbs, I guess. I don't know. I like it better than the keto bread that I've been buying at Walmart. I gotta find some other brand to buy, because they did have a brand I did like. They don't have it anymore. So this was the bread. Now I got 2 of the Italian breads, and I've said this in quite a bit of my videos. This Italian bread was $1. It went up to $1.47. But honestly, it's gonna cost you more than $1.47 to make this bread, I would think. I'd have to go ahead and try to make this. Matthew and I used to make homemade Italian bread a lot when we were back in Pennsylvania, but I still think $1.47 is not bad, and I always put it in the freezer. This is something I use in case of an emergency. You can go ahead and make yourself any kind of, you can make chicken parm, your eggplant parm. You can just roast it and make garlic bread. It's just so many things you can use with that. Now, I purchased the chicken cutlets, and this one was $11.48 for this package. I'm gonna separate this. Usually I don't separate it, guys, but I'm going to separate them in 3 cutlets. There's 6 cutlets in here, and they're huge. So I'm gonna do 3 in the Ziploc, 3 in the Ziploc, throw it in the freezer. Then I always use heavy whipping cream for my coffee. I grabbed 2, okay? Now, this is something different. Matthew absolutely loves tater tots. He hasn't had them in a while. And I don't know, I grabbed that for him. I'll make him something with that later. And then, like I said, we use a lot of cheese in this house, so I grabbed some sharp cheddar cheese because he likes that. So, and most of my recipes are with the cheddar cheese because of what he eats. So we don't waste food here. Now, what I do have in the background here, I purchased that in the last haul, is that pumpkin spice bread mix or muffin mix. And then I grabbed the cream cheese frosting. Can't wait to make that, guys. All right, so this is the haul that I purchased today from Walmart. It was not a big haul, but it was still like $109. And I don't know, I only bought one package of meat. It's no, actually two. All right, so you know that's gonna take the bulk of it, and then the other two. So I guess for what I spent, maybe it wasn't too much, but again, $109. This is what I got. I did get some dog food, and I got some filtered water. So that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.